On GJ, on my previous video, I said that we should chill on the longs that possibly we might see price sell because these might be like this zone here, all this was just a counter trend, right? For price to continue bearish, right? So yeah, price did exactly why I speculated it to do, and I had a position around this zone here. As soon as market open, I entered shorts on GJ and I held all the way down to this quarterly zone, which is 210. Close my position around 210. You see the whole breakdown, the trade on shorts on my YouTube shorts. You see the trade, yeah. So right now on GJ, you see price reversing, so we are pushing the way up, right? I see price making a lower high from around the zone here, so just waiting for a new lower high. So if you go down to the 2 hour, a possible lower high zone is this zone that I have markup here, which is this pink zone. So possibly if you get rejection from this zone here, so if you get rejection from this zone here, like a 2 hour candle rejection. So what I mean is if you get a rejection candle like a doji and engulfing any of those reversal candles on this zone, then for sure I'm entering shorts. And where am I targeting? I'm targeting this weekly low here. So yeah, you just wait for a new lower high on this. And like I said, this zone could be possibly lower high zone. On the weekly time frame, this is the low here. So you can see the low. I had this horizontal ray on the low, which is 208.493, which is this low here. So possibly you can see you might see price drop all the way down to this zone here. So yeah, just like I said, we are looking for lower high zones to continue the bearish trend, right? Now on the 4 hour time frame, a possible lower high zone is also this zone here. This horizontal ray I'm going to draw here. Why? Because this was the last higher low, sorry, that price made on this bullish move here. This was the last higher low. So price might even push all the way up to that zone. But like I said, we're just waiting for a lower high zone. So just chill and wait for a lower high zone. And a lower high zone, how do you know a lower high zone? You get like a double top, a head and shoulder, or a switch of structure. Any of those you get around this zone. As long as we not break above this zone here, this yeah, we are good. So this range from here to here are all over the lower high zones, right? So if you get any of those reversal pattern around this zone, enter shorts. That's what you're gonna do, and you target this daily weekly low here. Or if you want to hold, you can also hold daily low. So yeah, that's it on GJ. On gold, just like I said on my last outlook video, I said that I see price possibly going up, and yeah, as you can see, we push all the way up. Like from here, we push all the way up to the zone, you see. But I low-key feel like we might maybe continue bullish from here. Like from this zone, like this is a higher low zone. It's looking like this zone here is a higher low zone, and we should continue bullish. I missed an entry here on Monday after we had this reversal here. There was a rejection on 2 hour time frame. I was supposed to enter here. I missed it because like I said on my last video, my bias wasn't like clear. But my mistake was I didn't sit down to really think it out. You get, because I didn't I think it out, right? Then my bias could have been clear, because after price did the whole movement, that's when I realized that okay, this zone was a zone I was supposed to enter longs from. You get, so that was my bad. I didn't think that out. I was supposed to just look at the chart and really think, you get, and think and study the chart, and I would have gotten an entry before this whole push. But it is what it is. Like I said, if you break above this zone here, then the bullish movement is like confirmed, you get. But me looking at this structure right now, I think we are bullish from here. From here on, we are bullish. So what we just do is you just wait for a new higher low zone. So you're not taking any trades now. We just wait. However high price wants to go to, you just chill. What you do is just wait for price to drop down. You get, once it drop down, gives us a new higher low zone. Then from the new higher low zone, then we enter longs that gets new highs. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but yeah, just chill. No need to pursue the position. No need to try to pursue the trade, whatever. Just chill. You're going to go for sure. Price is going to retrace to give you a higher low on the daily time frame. So that higher low on the daily time frame, from the higher low on the daily time frame, we get our entry. So possibly, I don't know, but yeah, but these are just speculations. We might see after we break above that zone, price might possibly retrace for we to get a higher low zone on the daily time frame. So on 2 hour time frames, that's where we are gonna get our entry from. That's if we're able to even break this zone, right? Right now, because you see price rejecting, but I think yeah, I see price breaking above this zone. I'm not even going to lie. Like this structure here is just telling me that full on we are bearish, and low key we should see daily highs from this zone. Like the previous highs that price has made on the daily time frame, we might see price go up to all the way up to those daily highs. All these are speculations. Like I'm just speaking speculatively, but I think that should happen. Yeah. So just to reiterate what I just saying right now, and make let it not be like I'm repetitive. You get um, just wait for a reversal. You get just wait for a higher low on gold. So we might push all the way up. I don't know how far we might go. We might go up the way up to 750, because 4750 is a quarterly psychological zone right now on gold. So my god, we had so 4750 or above it. Then from there we retrace, we see drop. So once we get that drop, then we look for a zone where price is going to use as a higher low zone, and those zones possibly could be when you see price making like a double bottom, an inverted head and shoulder, or a sheet of structure. You get so any of those, then you enter longs. So yeah, that's it for GG and for gold.